We start our team coverage tonight at 7. KIRO 7's Dee Dee Sun. She spoke to a local couple who wonders if an experimental drug helped them recover. And so does their doctor.
George and Josie Taylor both got sick with coronavirus. First, it was Josie.
Got in the car and I could hardly breathe. I couldn't get any air in at all.
Then a few days later, her husband George.
My temperature was 102, and when I told her that, the doctor said, "Get in here."
Both went to the emergency room at Evergreen Health in Kirkland. They were put into isolation and given oxygen.
He was a very sick man, and neither one of us, I don't think, realized how sick we really were.
Doctors asked both the Taylors if they wanted to participate in a National Institutes of Health clinical trial to treat coronavirus.
And I said, absolutely.
The drug is called remdesivir, made by Gilead Sciences in California. It was designed to fight Ebola, but has shown more success in animal studies as an antiviral for coronaviruses like SARS and MERS.
An infusion daily, which took about 45 minutes to an hour.
But no one here knows if COVID-19 patients are getting the placebo or the drug. Evergreen Health is just one of the dozens of sites enrolling patients nationwide.
The unsung hero here is also the patient who, in the midst of having this crisis in their life, they're choosing to participate on research.
Josie and George were hospitalized for about 10 days. At one point, she was allowed to visit her husband.
The doctor had asked him if he had his affairs in order.
But finally, the couple in their 70s started getting better. What they don't know is if the clinical trial had something to do with it.
We did come home when we saw people being wheeled out, and that makes us wonder, did we get the real thing? And if we did, we hope it works for everybody.
They're still recovering.
Just being tired, it'll take time.
But are sharing their gratitude to be here and for those who cared for them.
To the amazing healthcare and just care, right down to the people that cleaned the rooms. Evergreen was amazing.
Another person we know of who was treated with remdesivir includes the first U.S. patient to be diagnosed with COVID-19, that 35-year-old man from Everett. The hospital here is still looking to enroll more patients. At Evergreen Health, Dee Dee Sun, KIRO 7 News.